Hello, I'm Jean Stork. Some people have told me they're having problems opening up an incognito or a private window, same thing, different words, to access the New York City Department of Education remote learning calendar. So I'm going to show you how to do that. I have Chrome opened. One way to get in is to copy the calendar link from the calendar itself if you have the calendar open in a regular window. So I go to the calendar, come over to the rectangle with one corner extended, click copy link. Now to open an incognito or private browser, go to the three dots in the upper right corner. Click those three dots, click on new incognito window. Type or paste dit.nyc/remotecal, REMOTECAL. Tap enter and it comes up. Sometimes you get this tools might not be available due to heavy traffic. That's more for the people developing the calendar. I haven't found heavy traffic to be an issue with the calendar itself. Click on a join link. If you get an https://link pop-up, then you have to click on that as well to get into your session. That does not always pop up. It depends on your machine and your browser. Loading your session. Sign in with schools.nyc.gov. So you click the Google sign in words. You sign in. In my case, I would sign in with J Stork. You don't need the whole @schools, just the beginning, J Stork. And your password. Click sign in. Open in Microsoft Teams if you have it on your computer. If not, join on the web. Oh, I have to cancel that. Join on the web. The exact steps might be a little different. I had to cancel. Sometimes you won't have to cancel. Sometimes it'll say join on the web or it'll say join in your browser. But it's the same basic idea either way.